Nikolaus Day, or in Germany it's Nikolaustag. Today we are going to make some Grittibänz, which are little bread dough men. And it's a really fun project for the kids to do, so I have Lila here today who's going to help me. So step one, we made the dough in our THERMOMIX and let it rise for 1 hour.
Hi!
So Lila's going to be using her wooden knife from her kitchen. Any kind of kid-safe utensil that can cut the dough is fine. And I have a butter knife because you don't really need a really sharp knife for this. So step one, we're going to cut the arms. So on the sides right here, you're just going to make a little cut. And make sure not to cut all the way through because you want to leave some space for the head up here. Then you kind of just push in and form the head. Good job, Layla. Need some help? Go ahead and cut all the way down so it gets, good job. And then you push and make the little head up here. And then for the legs, you're going to cut another part down here, a triangle out. Go ahead and cut a triangle out of your dough. Good job. Yes. And then we're going to go ahead and take that little triangle out.
Great!
Here, you can go ahead and rip this piece of dough out. And that's going to be the legs of your little man. Want to show your little man so far? So this is what we have so far. It should look like this. Good job. Those are big legs. Okay. So now that you've shaped him, you can go ahead and use raisins or almonds to decorate for the eyes, buttons, and you can use the extra dough pieces for scarves and hats. And even make the little dough for Santa hats. So you can shape a triangle and put a little ball on the top and put it on here, stick it right on. Good job. And you want to make sure to stick the toppings deep inside the dough. So push them really deep down. Good job. That looks great. So once you're done, we'll transfer these to a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees.